Hi, I am Engineer Muhammad Rizwan from Pakistan. I offer my services in math and physics. I have degrees of mechanical engineering, master in pure mathematics, and bachelor in education. I have more than 5 year teaching experience. I use some modern techniques when I teach students online. I use discovery method and problem solving techniques. In these techniques, we deliver the concept to the students and our students learn the concept and do practice during the lesson. In this way, my students can use these concepts in their exams, in their classroom work, and in their daily life. As I am professional and this is my online teaching classroom. Online tutor without instruments is like a fish without water. A tutor that have no instruments cannot teach students online. So you can see my instruments and you can see my whiteboard and each and everything is complete. Now I introduce my online teaching instruments and my online teaching method. First of all, I have a professional Samson C03 microphone. By this microphone, my students can get my sound clearly and noise free. I have a graphic pen tablet. I make online whiteboard and I give the link to my students and my students open the link in their Google or Firefox browser. So I also open the link of whiteboard. I write with the help of this tablet on my online whiteboard and deliver the concept to my students and my students see my writing and learn the concept. After this, my students can also do practice with me. I provide them some questions and my students solve the questions on online whiteboard. We have two pens, one pen for me and other pen for my students. So during the lesson they do practice. But teaching physics and geometry questions, there is need of conventional whiteboard. Sometimes my students cannot learn better by just writing on my online whiteboard with the help of graphic pen tablet. So I also have a HD 4K webcam, Logitec HD 4K webcam. I am also recording the video by this webcam. You can see the writing of my whole whiteboard clearly. And by using this video call, by using this webcam, my students can see my gestures, body language and writings both, and teaching right hand law and teaching vectors and traction of cross products and many other things. There is a need of video call. So for this purpose I use this. I hope you will learn my teaching style, my teaching methods and my techniques. So if you want if you have confusion in any math and physics concept, you can discuss me. You can message me anytime if you need my services. Thanks.